Under contracts, you see all contracts related to the customer. As you can imagine, a customer can have a variety of contracts. This is due to the collaboration with third parties. To add a contract, click the green plus button, fill in the fields and click add. If you select a contract, you can modify the price. As you can see, it can be done by a flat amount or by a percentage. That's it for this overview. Let's look at a more detailed version by simply clicking. As you can see, this will open the passport. You can export to PDF with or without the price by selecting the checkbox, or export to Excel. As you can see, you can also modify the contract. Don't forget to press modify after you're done. If you press planning, you'll see all work connected to this contract. If you scroll down, we'll find more detailed information like contact info, price list, objects, documents, articles, and the planning related to the contract.